Introducing the future of cleaning. Pureall, the world's first cleaning tool that uses both ultrasonic washing and ionization disinfection. Pureall helps you better clean and sterilize your clothing and items without damaging them. The ultrasonic cleaning tool gets deep into fabrics and items hard to reach spots, and the use of reactive oxygen species, generated by electrolysis of water, eliminates stains on clothes, leading to incredible results that you would never be able to achieve with a washing machine or by hand washing. All you need is a container or a sink filled with water and a little bit of detergent. Pureall has 3 different modes for different cleaning solutions. Simply choose the one you want, and after being put in the water, Pureall will operate automatically. Pureall offers you deep cleansing, saved time, water, and energy, all in one device. With wireless design, it's easy to clean anything you need, from vegetables to jewelry. With a USB charging port, Pureall can be powered with a wall charger, power bank, or any other USB charging source. Pureall is designed to be compact and portable so you can take it with you anywhere. Pureall, for easy cleaning and wonderful life.
Crumbs happen. Dust happens. Life moves forward, but unless we take a break to clean, the dust stays. We wanted people to experience the benefits of modern cleaning automation without the ridiculous price point. So we created Mirvac. Mirvac is the perfect balance of quality engineering and affordability to bring your home into the modern generation of daily cleaning techniques. We have created our device to include everything needed from a robot vacuum. Mirvac cleans on a controlled schedule that you set however you want. It fits under the small spaces, in between the tight areas, and captures the dust and crumbs that might have never been noticed. Using a variety of movement patterns, you can help set Mirvac to the best pattern for you and your home to ensure that the entire area is clean the way you want it to be. Mirvac hosts one of the most powerful motors on the market for reliable suction on tough areas and a consistent performance. After it's done with its cycle, Mirvac returns itself to its dock, where it can stay out of the way and charge for the next cleaning. The dust tray holds enough space for the entire room and is easily cleaned out. The system has easy-to-reach controls on the device, the dock, and its own remote control. You can control schedules, motor power, movement patterns, or even control it manually. We designed this to be the ultimate in home cleaning technology. You can use your Mirvac on all home floor surfaces to keep your home looking fresh every day. Sit back and enjoy a clean home while the technology does the work. We designed 2 models for the campaign release. While they are based on the same design, they each have unique features that make them special. It has taken a little while to get us here, but we are now proud to bring Mirvac to the world. Check out our crowdfunding campaign and see how you can get this piece of home tech at a great price with our exclusive campaign deals. Start keeping your home feeling fresh every day with the power of Mirvac. Mirvac, cleaning solutions for your peace of mind.
More often than not, we have clean pillowcases, clean bed sheets, and fresh blankets. But what we can't see with the naked eye is the lurking bacteria sleeping with me, my wife, and my son.
We never know who sleeps with us.
Catching colds or any viral infection while taking a rest with thousands of germs is definitely not a good night, nor a sweet dream. It's like we're lying on a trash bin. At times like these, you should grab your coolest anti-germ and antivirus buddies. Introducing RockyBot, the world's best bacteria-killing robot. It's equipped with 24 sensors and 2 modes that eliminate 99.99% of bacteria, germs, and mites through its ultraviolet light and ultrasonic components. Equipped with its smart mapping and navigational intelligence, you can use it throughout its automatic walking mode. Simply put it on the top of your bed, flat and smooth or a little bulgy and messy, RockyBot can still do the work. No need to worry, because it comes with its own smart sensors that can detect cliffs, slopes, and any other obstacles preventing it from falling off. Also, sensors that can detect walls and any other obstacles preventing it from crashing. Smart sensors can also control the roll once someone picks it up. Switch RockyBot to its handheld mode. To sanitize and disinfect any surface, place the handle cover on the RockyBot and pick it up to clean with ease. And, yes, even with your toys. Also, what we have here is way cooler than you think. It is also designed with its high-quality tweeter that enables us to play music while it's doing its job. Because of its pocket size, it's very convenient. No sweat and you're ready to go. When it's off duty as a disinfectant robot, you can rely on it as a power bank, plug in your cable, or charge your phone wirelessly. And no matter how cozy our hotel room can get, we can never be sure of a germ-free holiday. But as long as we have this pocket-sized buddy, no germs, bacteria, or viruses can steal our moment. Let RockyBot rock your world. RockyBot, the world's best bacteria-killing robot for all of your cleaning needs.
Hire TAB Tablet. Hey Alexa, start cleaning.
Okay, starting to clean.
Wait, this isn't just an ordinary robot vacuum cleaner. TAB Tablet has patented hair anti-winding cutting technology, which cuts the hair as it vacuums so that it doesn't get tangled up anywhere in the cleaner. The anti-winding technology and the powerful suction means that you'll never have to clean out tangled up hair from your vacuum cleaner ever again. That's not all it cleans. TAB Tablet has a super unique, built-in detachable cleaner, so you can clean hard-to-reach places by hand. You can set the cleaning time through the TAB Tablet app. It uses advanced LDS and SLAM navigation radar to ensure that every inch of your home gets thoroughly cleaned. You can easily set up virtual walls so that it doesn't go near places that you want it to avoid. Other cleaners leak water everywhere, but TAB Tablet has drip control technology, which means no unexpected puddles. It also has an adjustable mop, which provides close contact with the floor and then cleans thoroughly. TAB Tablet really has all the bases covered. It reaches under beds and sofas, climbs small obstacles, and does not fall. Best of all, it has automatic cleaning and charging. You might not know this, but Hire TAB is an online company that is part of the Hire Electronics Group, the same company that has brought you awesome electronics for millions of homes over the years. I use TAB Tablet over the entire house and vacuum and mop with ease. That's why I love having it in our home.